Value on your Twitch stream is super important, guys. You don't want to just be playing games with a camera and just doing the bare old basics. Hello there, I'm playing a video game today. Come and watch me play Call of Duty. It just doesn't work. You need to offer your audience value. One simple way to do that through Twitch is your channel points and redemptions, giving your audience a little bit of interaction with you, customize them to your brand. So I'm going to show you mine today. I'm going to give you a little bit of an example just so you can see, start writing down some notes and coming up with your own ideas to make interaction and value on your stream more important. Okay guys, so we are over here on Twitch. Just jump into your profile, go to creator dashboard. You then want to go to community, channel points on the left, manage rewards and challenges. Now, I have a bunch of things in here that are custom to my stream. You can do whatever you like. Costume stuff works really well. For example, I have wear the pink hat and sunglasses for 2 minutes. What is that, you might ask? So you want to come in here and add a new custom reward. Now think about the things you do on your stream, whether it's just chatting or maybe you're playing The Sims. Sims is a great example because you've got so many items in The Sims. You could create a reward named place a random item, okay? So now the cost of this is going to cost, you know, we're gonna go with 500,000. Okay, now that's highly expensive. I don't think anybody is going to be able to afford that anytime soon. But make it realistic, and then you give a viewer a chance to place a random item, and they can tell you. So what you can do, require a viewer to enter a text. That means when they redeem it, they can put the message, you know, I want you to place a toilet. Great. You've given them some interaction, guys. You've given them a little bit more value. Please remember, playing a video game with a camera on is easy to do. Everybody can do this. Okay, make your stream a little bit extra, add a little bit of value to it, and it's as simple as creating some customized channel points that represent you, your brand, your community, and the things you want to bring to your stream. So that's it from me today, guys. Don't forget, I stream on Twitch. All the links are in the description. I want to do a big video on value at some point. I have so much advice to give based around value, and I think that it would be really important for a lot of streamers out there. So hit that like button and comment below if you'd like to see a video based around value and what you can offer to your audience. I love you guys and have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.